Hey, you rambunctious rapscallions. Today I install reactOS. I was originally going to make another far more complicated original video that required a lot more effort, but yeah, that didn't happen. I do intend to still make it, but it's going to be a little bit delayed. Instead, I'm going to be installing reactOS. So I've made a VM, I've given it 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is way too much, but I want it just so, I don't know, I guess it installs faster or whatever. And I think it has like 20 gigabytes of free space, which is still also too much, but it's fine. Well, let's dive in. No, I don't want to use Kali Linux ISO for reactOS. React. Start. Okay. This will be fun. So if you haven't noticed, because of all the obnoxious things showing up all over the place, including my desktop background, and, oh wait, no, I can't see it, and the NeoFetch, I am using Manjaro, which I have switched to. Alright, what's this? I'm just gonna mash enter, because readings for nerds. I probably shouldn't have done that. Yeah. You know what, let's go full screen for immersion. You can feel like you're really there. Oh. Okay, that's probably enough. Right, is that it? Is that installed? reactOS? I think it is. Wow. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so this is actually went unexpectedly really well. I wasn't expecting it to work so immediately and so quickly. I'm so funny. Look how original I am. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can't be bothered reading that. Yes, classic. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Finish. Excellent. My phone just vibrated. Oh yeah, I have a new mic now, so I may sound really funky and cool. Or really funky and uncool. Actually, probably not, because if I sound really unfunky, I probably just won't upload the video. Yeah, install driver automatically, but I don't think you'll manage. Also need to shrink the screen. There we go. Yay, we're in reactOS. Oh, look at that. It's leaving a thing behind. That's so cool. Real cute when it does that. Anyway, what am I gonna do? Just gonna goof around. That's what I'm gonna do. First, I want to see if we're connected to the intranet. Oh, there's some music. Do you even have an internet? Entertainment. Whoa, this is pretty entertaining. Ooh. No, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna pretend I'm good at this. I think I actually got that right. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Whoa. This is wild. Okay, hell yeah. Am I seriously gonna do this? I think I am. I mean, what else am I gonna do? Ooh, beautiful. I'm so good at this. See, the sad thing is I've probably never done this well in solitaire before. If it wasn't for that, I'd probably have stopped playing, because it's not very entertaining to watch, but I'm not going to turn down this opportunity to actually win. No, you know what, I give up, it's fine. Yes, quick current game. Win mine. Wine mine. Oh, this uses wine, that's really cool. Yet again, that's like the best I've ever done at Minesweeper. Okay. We can safely say this. Yeah. Okay, so that means this is safe. There's more music, you're welcome. Okay, I'm not sure. This one's next to 2, this one's next to 2, this one's next to 1, that means this is clear. Oh, I think there's like one more. Yes! That is the first time I've ever won Minesweeper. Oh my god. And it's not like I've never tried. I've played so many times. It's so good. Wow. Okay, this is amazing. Thanks, mouse. Read me. Reading for nerds. Application manager, there it is. Command prompt. Ooh, look, I can be a hacker. Look, guys, I'm a hacker. Oh. Doyer. See that? I'm a hacker. Isn't that so cool? It's so fun being a hacker. Right, what are we gonna install? I do like Assault. Do they have soup? Super Talks. Best game of all time. Nice, that's... Oh, I'm not connected to the interwebs, am I? Don't really know what I was expecting. Maybe I'll play a different version of Solitaire. Okay, I don't know how to play this, I'm not doing that. Oh, let's browse the file system, that'll be fun. Wow, whoa, this is cool. Maybe I can try breaking it. Okay, that didn't do anything. Let's delete this. Yes. Yes. Aw. Didn't delete. There's more music, you're welcome. Okay. Control panel. Ooh, this is cool. Ooh. Display. Play. Beautiful. No way, do they have... Oh my god, they have screensavers. I don't know why I'm sounding surprised. I actually knew that already. I've done this thousands of times. Whoa, barflies. I have no strong feelings towards barflies, either way. You know when butterflies lag your screen though, it's not a good sign. Wow. I actually haven't seen these. Because I have installed this before. And I knew there were screensavers, but I didn't see any of these. Yeah, I remember this one, I think. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's cool. It's crashed. That's cool. That is cool. So yeah, you can tell reactOS might need a bit of work. Then again, I am running it in a VM with way too much RAM and all that stuff, so it may be my fault. Help and support. Yes, I do want help. Please help me. Regional. Hmm? Oh. This is really cool. Admittedly, it's still better than Windows. No, it's genuinely just crashed. It's showing that moving thing, but I can't click anywhere. That is pretty cool. Okay, I think that's probably the video done anyway. There's not much else I was gonna do. Don't know why I decided to make a video on this, but hey, it's something. Bazinga.